on our way. We're gonna pick up Marsh's JDM 0607 taillights for his car, for the Shrek G. So he's gonna get updated taillights with those, and apart from that, they're gonna be the JDM ones. So that's a plus. All right, we are here at a Chase bank. You can't see it. The Chase sign is on the other side, but we're here waiting for the guy. He's gonna show up right now. He's gonna bring the JDM taillights, and then from there, we're gonna go pick up my lips. JDM tails.
I mean,
For sure. Here we have it. All the LEDs work and everything, right?
everything worked. I just took it off because, like I said, I sold the car.
For sure. Commercial.
What year is your car, dude?
We have a second one. Nice. Also, this is what you meant right here? For sure.
Yeah, see on the USDM one, these are together.
Yeah.
But on the JDM ones are separate.
For sure. Back home now. We have Mars pulling up right now. Damn, it looks so good. And these taillights are finally going to be going off. They're pretty much worn out. The tint that I used to have is basically super baked on. Here we have it. Trunk open. First thing is gotta go is this thing right here. And just put that out of the way. That NOS bottle right there though. And then that way we have access to the bolts for the headlight right here. What to take out? Yeah. So you just take out the clips, they're holding this out, and then you have 1, 2, and 3 bolts holding the headlight in place. Just pop those out and the whole tail light comes off. And don't forget to disconnect it right here. Alright, so there's the first bolt right there. And let's get to the other ones. Okay, there they are. Alright, pull it out. So this one's ready to go. Alright, so just, you're gonna have to push this out of here. Alright, just feed it through. There you go. And just like that, that's how you take out the old. Damn, look at that. All burned up. Alright, let's put the new one in and get it in there. Make it look nice and pretty. Second one is out. Baked on too. All the cracks in the tint. That's how old this tint is. Yo.
I'm gonna take a pic on IG que se mira así el carro.
Post it. Fuck it. Damn. Shrek G was actually pretty well painted at least. Well, you got a zip tie right here instead of a clip, but whatever. Holds up. What a huge difference. So it's not bolted on yet, but just mocking it up there makes, oh my god. Alright, we'll quickly put these back on. Put the bolts and everything back on. And then we'll show you guys at the end. So we got this one plugged in. And we're gonna plug this one in as well. So both of them plugged in. All right, turn it on. Quartz. Yeah, your left turn signal on. Right, it's working. Brakes. Oh, that's. Take off the brake. Brake. Yeah, they work perfect. Perfectly fine. Damn.
Can I see?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a video.
Alright, cool. Here we have it.
Does it look sick?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, it looks.
Here we have it. Working perfectly fine.
Wow, yeah. Wait. Dude, yours is ugly.
JDM tails. So I'll show you guys a video at night, see how they look like. Now the difference between these JDM ones and the USDM ones is the main thing is the orange turn signal, whereas the US models came with red, all red, and these have like a certain like type of like a lighter tint of red, whereas the other ones are like more super dark red, and these have a lighter tint to them. And just like that, Shrek has JDM taillights. So there we have it, guys. So I'm gonna end today's video right here. New JDM taillights, out with the old, super old, as you guys can see. And now Shrek is looking way better with these taillights. Wheels and now taillights. A lot more to come. We will eventually be doing the Spec D headlights on this car as well. Now we got my wheels over here. Stay tuned for this video for anyone that's interested. Check out this video as well. Alright, so I'm gonna end today's video right here. Again, more things to come for the Shrek G. Definitely a lot more mods to come. Eventually, we're gonna do headlights, air suspension, maybe white body. I don't know, because he already has a damaged quarter panel, but maybe that's later on in a couple years. Or not even a couple years, maybe months. I don't know. Up to him. Shout out to Marshall, Mars, give him a follow on IG. And again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.